Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. We will be evaluating these cameras based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. So without further ado, let's dive right in. When it comes to image quality, both cameras impress. The Fujifilm X-T5 boasts a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, ensuring stunning details and exceptional image fidelity. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, delivering excellent clarity and sharpness. Both cameras offer impressive image quality, allowing you to capture breathtaking moments effortlessly. If you are passionate about videography, the Canon EOS R50 takes the lead in this category. It offers 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage. Additionally, the Canon EOS R50 also features Full HD high-frame-rate movie at up to 120 FPS, perfect for those incredible slow-motion shots. While the Fujifilm X-T5 offers great video features, the Canon EOS R50 shines brighter when it comes to video performance. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Fujifilm X-T5 incorporates a powerful autofocus system that covers a wide area, ensuring fast and accurate subject tracking. However, the Canon EOS R50 takes it a step further with its incredible dual-pixel CMOS AFE, covering up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones and utilizing deep learning technology for excellent subject detection and tracking. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or unforgettable moments, both cameras have you covered. Now, let's talk about the price. The Fujifilm X-T5 is priced at $2,199, offering outstanding value for its superior image quality and compact design. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 comes in at an affordable $799, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Both cameras provide incredible features at their respective price points, so it ultimately depends on your budget and specific requirements. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. Both cameras offer exceptional performance and unique features, catering to different needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.